Halloween is about to come, and you know what that means. Time to transform our homes into spooky havens. But let's face it, sometimes those elaborate window displays can be intimidating, especially when you're on a budget or short on time. Well, fear not, fellow Halloween enthusiasts. Today, I was just that frustrated homeowner, staring out at bare windows while my neighbors' houses boasted all the creepy crawlies. But then, inspiration struck. I dove headfirst into the world of DIY Halloween window decorating, and guess what? It turned out to be easier and way more fun than I ever imagined. Before diving in, we want to welcome you to our channel Decorants, where we share home improvement ideas that will make your living space more beautiful and comfortable. This window display that was both captivating and cost-effective. A perfect blend of spooky and playful, something that would spark the imaginations of trick-or-treaters big and small. So, how did I achieve this Halloween haunting? Well, buckle up because I'm about to share pro tricks that will have your windows looking wickedly awesome in no time. Let's start with the basics. Sticking decorations to windows can be a sticky situation, pun intended. But worry not. Ditch the expensive store-bought clings. Here's the secret weapon, painter's tape. It holds decorations securely without damaging your windows. Plus, it's easy to remove, leaving no nasty residue behind. Want to set an eerie ambience? Forget fancy lights. Grab some red cellophane, cut it to size, and secure it to the inside of your window with painter's tape. When the sun sets, it creates a haunting red glow that will leave passersby saying boo. Limited space? No problem. Decorate from the inside out. Use construction paper to cut out spooky silhouettes or playful characters. Layer them on a table with colored lights behind them, and voila! You have a mesmerizing display visible from both inside and outside. Can't resist window clings? Don't worry, here's a money-saving hack. Grab some clear contact paper, trace your favorite Halloween shapes onto it, cut them out, and add spooky details with markers. You have your very own reusable clings. Speaking of Halloween inspiration, we've got a whole cauldron full of spooky content brewing over here. If you're looking for more ideas to transform your home into a Halloween haven, check out these other videos in our playlist, link in description. And that's just the beginning. We've got even more Halloween content coming your way soon, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Want to add depth and dimension to your display? Layer your window clings. Start with a solid colored background like a black cat silhouette. Top it with a spooky spider web, and then add a mischievous jack-o'-lantern peeking out. Instant spooky scene. No artistic skills needed. There are tons of free downloadable Halloween silhouette templates online. Print them out, trace them onto black construction paper, and you've got a whole cast of spooky characters ready to haunt your windows. Feeling a little crafty? Unleash your inner artist. Grab some cardboard or thick poster paper and transform them into spooky tools. Simply cut out shapes like bats, ghosts, or pumpkins. Then, grab some spray paint and stencil your creepy creations directly onto your windows for a unique and customizable effect. I'd love to see your amazing Halloween window creations. Snap a picture, tag me on social media using #Decorants, and show some love by liking and sharing this video. The more we share the Halloween spirit, the spookier the season will be. Don't pack away those string lights after Christmas. They're perfect for Halloween too. Drape them across the top of your window and let them cascade down like a spooky waterfall of light. Want to add an extra chilling touch? Tuck in some Halloween-themed cutouts or creepy figures between the lights for a truly boo-tiful display. Look no further than your backyard for Halloween inspiration. Gather fallen leaves, twigs, and branches. Arrange them on a table behind your window with some creepy crawlies nestled among them. It creates a natural yet spooky display. Who says Halloween can't be whimsical? Add a touch of playful charm with homemade Halloween bunting. It's easy. Just cut out festive shapes from colorful paper, like witches' hats, pumpkins, or even friendly ghosts. String them together and hang them across your window for a touch of personality that will make your display stand out. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a dose of Halloween inspiration. How do you stick Halloween decorations to a window? There are several ways to keep your Halloween decorations attached to your windows without damaging the glass or leaving any messy residue behind. Here are the top picks. Painter's tape. This is your best friend for window decorating. It holds decorations securely but removes easily without leaving any marks. Static cling stickers. These reusable stickers cling to the window surface without any adhesive. They're great for lightweight decorations like window clings and paper cutouts. Removable mounting squares. These double-sided squares offer a stronger hold for heavier decorations like lightweight foam cutouts or pre-made plastic figures. However, always test them on a small, inconspicuous area of the window first to ensure they remove cleanly. Bonus tip: avoid using regular tape, masking tape, or duct tape. These can be difficult to remove and may damage the window surface. How do you stick Halloween decorations to a window? There are several ways to keep your Halloween decorations attached to your windows without damaging the glass or leaving any messy residue behind. Here are the top picks. Painter's tape. This is your best friend for window decorating. It holds decorations securely but removes easily without leaving any marks. Static cling stickers. These reusable stickers cling to the window surface without any adhesive. They're great for lightweight decorations like window clings and paper cutouts. Removable mounting squares. These double-sided squares offer a stronger hold for heavier decorations like lightweight foam cutouts or pre-made plastic figures. However, always test them on a small, inconspicuous area of the window first to ensure they remove cleanly. Bonus tip: avoid using regular tape, masking tape, or duct tape. These can be difficult to remove and may damage the window surface. How to make windows glow red for Halloween. Here's a simple and budget-friendly way to achieve that spooky red glow. Red cellophane. This is your secret weapon. Purchase a roll of red cellophane from your local dollar store or party supply shop. Cut to size. Measure your window and cut the cellophane to fit the entire surface. Secure it with painter's tape. Carefully apply painter's tape around the edges of the cellophane to secure it to the window frame. Make sure the tape is on the window frame itself, not directly on the glass. Bonus tip: want a more dramatic effect? Layer 2 or 3 sheets of red cellophane for a richer, deeper red glow. How to decorate inside windows. This is a great option for limited space, or if you want to create a glowing display visible from both inside and outside your home. Here's how to do it. Gather your supplies. You'll need construction paper, scissors, colored lights, and a table to position them on. Silhouette time. Get creative and cut out spooky silhouettes like ghosts, bats, or witches from your construction paper. Light up the scene. Place your colored lights on a table positioned behind your window. Strategically, layer your paper silhouettes in front of the lights, creating a shadow puppet effect. Dim the lights. Turn off the lights in the room where the window is located. Now, your window will be transformed into a glowing Halloween scene, visible and captivating from both sides. I'd love to see your amazing Halloween window creations. Snap a picture and tag me on social media using #Decorants. While you're there, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a dose of Halloween inspiration. And that's a wrap on our spooktacular tricks for creating a budget-friendly Halloween window display. Remember, there are no decorating mistakes, only creative opportunities. So, unleash your inner artist, have some fun, and don't be afraid to get a little spooky.